United Nations Office on Genocide Prevention and the Responsibility to Protect. Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide. Article 2. In the present convention, genocide means any of the following acts committed with intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a national, ethnical, racial or religious group as such. A. Killing members of the group. B. Causing serious bodily or mental harm to members of the group. C. Deliberately inflicting on the group conditions of life calculated to bring about its physical destruction in whole or in part. D. Imposing measures intended to prevent births within the group. E. Forcibly transferring children of the group to another group. The popular understanding of what constitutes genocide tends to be broader than the content of the norm under international law. Article 2 of the Genocide Convention contains a narrow definition of the crime of genocide, which includes two main elements. 1. A mental element, the intent to destroy, in whole or in part, a national, ethnical, racial or religious group as such, and 2. A physical element, which includes the following 5 acts, enumerated exhaustively. Killing members of the group. Causing serious bodily or mental harm to members of the group. Deliberately inflicting on the group conditions of life calculated to bring about its physical destruction in whole or in part. Imposing measures intended to prevent births within the group. Forcibly transferring children of the group to another group. The intent is the most difficult element to determine. To constitute genocide, there must be a proven intent on the part of perpetrators to physically destroy a national, ethnical, racial or religious group. Cultural destruction does not suffice, nor does an intention to simply disperse a group. It is this special intent, or dolus specialis, that makes the crime of genocide so unique. In addition, case law has associated intent with the existence of a state or organizational plan or policy, even if the definition of genocide in international law does not include that element. Importantly, the victims of genocide are deliberately targeted not randomly because of their real or perceived membership of one of the 4 groups protected under the Convention, which excludes political groups, for example. This means that the target of destruction must be the group as such, and not its members as individuals. Genocide can also be committed against only a part of the group, as long as that part is identifiable and substantial. United Nations definitions.